So what does massage rolling the sole of the foot do? A common treatment often recommended via online resources or from health professionals or from fellow friends who have had plantar fasciitis is to use some form of massage roller underneath the sole of the foot. And this can be achieved with using a number of objects. So some people advise to put a can of Coca-Cola. It doesn't have to be Coca-Cola, by the way, but a cold can in the fridge. And once it's nice and cold, take it out of the fridge, put it on the floor sideways, and then roll your foot from the heel to the ball of the foot, so all along the arch, applying light compression to effectively create a massaging effect, whilst also applying ice or cold therapy at the same time. And this is said to help alleviate symptoms of plantar fasciitis, as it can create a therapeutic effect. Other instruments you can use can include a purposefully built massage roller. So there are lots of products online that you can buy. The Pedi roller is one which is designed specifically for the foot, and it's ribbed in its shape. So it's got these sort of little ridges in it, which are meant to be especially beneficial with the massaging effect. My opinion is that you might find this helpful for temporary pain relief, but it's not likely to lead to a long-term success of treatment. So by all means, if you find this exercise helpful and you find that it does alleviate your symptoms, feel free to do it, and you're very unlikely to cause yourself harm by doing this. However, it's not going to address the underlying cause as to why you got the problem in the first place. So it could be used as an adjunctive treatment, but there should also be other parts of your treatment plan involved, and not just solely relying on this to help with the problem. I hope that clears up that question. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share. And if you want to check out some further free educational resources, go to www.theheelpainexpert.com. Thanks for watching.